Hi, everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can use NotebookLM to turn any text, document, website into a podcast. So first thing I'm going to do is go to notebooklm.google.com, and it is going to ask you to sign in. I already have a few things on here, and what you can do to get started is click on Create New. And then it's going to ask you, you can either upload resources, you can put a Google Doc in here, a Google slide, you can paste a website in there, a YouTube video, or you can just go to the internet and you can copy text from anything and then upload it. So for this example with a website, I just went to YouTube, I typed in parts of a cell, and now you can see I'm on Khan Academy YouTube. I'm going to click on share. Here's the link. I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to come back to NotebookLM. I'm going to click on YouTube, paste the link. I'm going to insert. And now I have my resources here. So there are a few things you can do. The first thing it's going to do is just going to give you a note about what the video is about, or the overview of the document. After that, on the right, you can actually create a study guide based upon this. So if you uploaded a Google slideshow that you use with your kids, or a PDF or anything, and you wanted to create a study guide for the kids, click on study guide. And you can see that it's generating right here. And when I click on it, it's going to give me possible quiz questions, essay questions, glossary. And then if you don't like that, you can always go in here and you can start typing questions about this resource and regenerate this. So I'm going to go back to my studio. You can get a briefing doc, FAQ, timeline. You can play around with those. But here is the really cool thing. This will take any of your sources over here. And if you have multiple sources, you can go in here and you can add a source, and you can check all the boxes that you want to include in the study guide or the podcast. So I click on generate, and this will take a minute or two. Okay, so it has finished. And now when you press play, it's going to be a podcast with two people talking about whatever resources that you uploaded.
All right, diving in today, we're going microscopic, ready to explore the world of cells.
Yeah, sounds fun.
You know, I've always found cells fascinating, these tiny building blocks of life.
It's pretty incredible when you think about it, right? I mean, everything, plants, animals, us.
All built from these tiny units.
Exactly. And this Khan Academy video you found, it's perfect for our deep dive today.
Tons of great info in there.
And you can see it's 11 minutes, 58 seconds. You could download it. You could give this to students to listen to. And then they have an interactive mode here where you could actually ask questions in the middle of the podcast, and they will answer whatever questions you give to them. So if you have any other questions, as always, please contact me, and I would be happy to help.